name Patricia from the Uganda is bleeding. So can you give her a round of applause? People power! People power! The power belongs to the people. As Africans, as the people who are suffering for our dictators, we must stand together. First of all, we must stand together. If we do not stand together to kick out the colonialists, because we're all suffering the same plight. Uganda has been suffering for 35 years of Museveni brutality. Why we're here today is to protest against the British from sponsoring the dictator. They give him a lot of money through aid, which is not aid, but it is trade. That money is used to buy tear gas. That money is used to buy bullets to kill Ugandans. They pretend to believe in human rights. They believe in democracy, but there is no democracy as Africans are dying. Nobody is going to have peace unless you stop sponsoring dictators in Tigray, in Uganda, in Africa. Then you pretend to believe in human rights. How dare you lie that you believe in human rights, yet we give you proof, yet you see people are dying every day. You hide the media from bringing out what is happening in Tigray. You hide what is happening in Uganda. Why? The G7, you're seated here to make decisions for the world, yet people in Africa are dying. Yet you go to Africa and steal the little we have. This is why we're here to protest against your nonsense. This is why we're here to protest against your rubbish. Stop it! Stop sponsoring dictators! Stop sponsoring dictators! Stop giving them money! It is not aid, it is trade. Why don't you ask for accountability? The IMF, the World Health Organization, the money you're sending to Africa, why don't we have the accountability? Oxfam, World Child Organization, the Red Nose, every year you're sending money, you're financing wars in Tigray, you're financing wars in Congo, but you continually pretend to believe in human rights. This is pretense. We are sick and tired. We want to change. Stop the war. Stop financing Ethiopia. We want you to stop the war in Tigray because it's you who started the war in Tigray. But you sit here comfortably and say that you believe in human rights. And you sit in your offices and you sit in your office, yet people are bleeding in Uganda. People are killed. People, prisoners are being arrested. Then David Dandridge, you come out and congratulate Museveni after 35 years. Yet in Uganda, I have lived in UK for 20 years. We've had 4 prime ministers. Why would you still congratulate a dictator after 35 years? David Dandridge, we know you're seated there. Boris Johnson, you're seated there. Peter, you're there enjoying our money. This is our lives. We fought for democracy and we are going to fight. We are not asking you. We are telling you to stop sponsoring dictators. We know you give them money through loans. You give them money As we stand here, we thank you so much, people of Tilbury. Thank you for standing together. Thank you, the people of Tilbury. Thank you for standing together. I'm here to encourage my fellow Ugandans. Look at what Tilbury is doing. They are bleeding, but we've been bleeding for 40 years. Why don't you come out and we stand together? Because united we stand, divided we fall. We cannot allow the son of the dictator to take over our country. It is wrong, it is not right. Thank you so much for allowing us to hold your mic. I will stand with you and we shall copy whatever you do. Thank you. Hadagize, Uganda's